What's going on, YouTube? Justin here, back at it again with another video. Today, I got a little something different for you guys. Found 3 decent pine cones. Going for a walk, and it just clicked in my head. We're gonna be feeding the birds. So I'm gonna spread peanut butter all over the pine cones. I don't have any bird seed with me, but I've got some sunflower seeds. That'll do just fine. And I don't know if birds can see color or not, but it's very bright, vibrant and bright, so I can also see it, so then I can spot them. Not like any of that really matters. You can use any rope or string that'll fit on the pine cones and be able to hang off a tree or whatever. But I'm gonna be using this pink string, bright neon pink. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna get a knife out and we'll start putting peanut butter on the pine cones and whatnot. Then we'll go in the backyard and go from there. All right, I do not have much peanut butter left, but we're gonna make good use out of it. Put as much on here as I possibly can to where the sunflower seeds will stick. I might only be able to do one. We'll see. I don't have much left. Maybe I got another, might have another jar in there. We'll see. Or something else. Can't use Nutella. I know that. But I know they'll have peanut butter and sunflower seeds. I've done this before. It's worked in the past. I know many people have done it this way. Whatever comes to your mind, or even the nastiest things that you could think of. Somebody's encountered it, seen it on YouTube, or has done it once. Not everyone, but there's been plenty of people in this world, as we all know. Anyway. Get back to this. There are some weird things out there. All right. Just like so. Get it all up in there. All right, that should be enough. I don't have enough peanut butter for those, so we're just going to be doing this one. Let's go ahead, clean up my mess later. Put them sunflower seeds on there. They're sticking just fine. Birds are going to eat this up. All right. All of that is caked on there and ready to go out into the backyard. We will tie the string once I clean my hands up. Or actually, I'll just tie the string now. And then I'll shut off the camera and bring you guys outside. Cut out my string length. Let me go grab the scissors real quick. Try and find a good spot to tie the string on it. I don't entirely remember how to do it. We're just gonna do it like this. We'll cut off the excess string. Put my hands. I'm still here. Just Just wipe it off my hands. Tie it better. All right, now that the string is on, we can go out in the backyard. We'll set it on a tree. All right, hopefully a squirrel won't get into this or anything. I'm gonna set it up right here. Hopefully the birds can fly up onto the thing, and I'll tie it kind of higher. They can get in within reach of it. Sit on that right there. Set it just like that. Hang there. Whatever. All right, guys. Got it set up just like this. Birds can come up right here and munch on it or whatever, or fly up onto it and eat it. Shouldn't fall. Got the string hanging here so I don't lose the spot where I put it, so I can throw away the string once the pine cone is gone. I hope y'all are enjoying the content so far. As always, I hope y'all are enjoying this video. Until the next one, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys then. Thanks for watching. Peace.